This is going out to my sister Teresa Hawks in Florida, and I hope you will enjoy. It's a real donor, and it's one of your favourites, and I've got to admit, it's one of mine too. So this is my version of You Don't Know What You've Got. So please bear with me on this one, sis. Pearl, please enjoy.
You
Don't know what you got until you lose it. You gave me your love, but I abused it. And now I'm sorry for the things I didn't say, 'cause now I acted in a foolish way. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Don't know what you got until you lose it. You gave me your love, but I misused it. I never knew how lonely loneliness could be. And now I need you, dear, as you once needed me. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Now I've come this lonely heart your own. I give you all my loving like you've never known. You don't know what you've got until you lose it. You gave me your love, but I misused it. And now I'm sorry for the things I didn't say, 'cause now I did it in a foolish way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I hope you all enjoyed that. God bless.